dog exercise. Adds to the dog's quality of life, and in this environment really helps the dog before the heel on lead exercise. Following the dog's bronze test award, this exercise is an introduction to the heel work that's required in competitive obedience. Having completed the heel on lead, preparing now for the recall. Handler can choose to leave the dog in the sit or the down. Several elements of control in that test, with the dog being required to sit, and then to wait, then to recall across the ring at a lively pace, the present in front of the handler, followed by the finish to the heel position. So again, this exercise takes place in the scheduled competitive obedience tests. Now carrying out the examination of the dog. Very important part of the dog's life. This exercise carries 15 of the total 70 points that the whole test has scheduled today. This exercise is carried out on the lead and can be done in the stand, the sit or the down, or a combination of all three in order to do the exercise thoroughly. And the final test on this part of the ring work is the control at gate, also worth 15 of those 70. The judge is looking for a loose lead at all times and might deduct marks for anticipation of a command or any lack of control. And that completes the test.